Yep, getpageinfo.js, cool. This is for a 24-hour challenge. Yep, it's a 24-hour challenge thing. Yeah. Okay, notification. Didn't even know this was a category on Twitch until like 5 minutes ago. Yeah, if you go to like 24hourstartup.com, I think they have like more info there probably, if you're curious about it. Yeah. Sergio replied to me. Did I? Yeah, front end, but we're gonna do the maker.log API first, I think. Can I get to the API from here? Can probably search it in here. Oh look, I have it in history. Where is it? Here we go. Let's open up that. And docs. Well, this is fancy. Was it this fancy before? Okay, wait a sec. I'm going to sign in. Username. What's my username? Okay, cool, got it. Actually, maybe I should hide this so you can't see my token. Which grant type do I choose? I want to do that. Okay, so basically it's asked me to choose a grant type, and there was like, I think, implicit, password, OAuth, something else, so I'm not sure which to choose. So yeah. I wonder how many followers we have. Let's have a look. Nice, 100 followers. Is that like the updated thing? I need to unmute my notifications for this. I always do it the other way around. Yeah, I always, that's what I usually do. Okay. So then I don't even need to register an API at all, by the looks of things. Because I can just use the same things that that Sergio uses to load the stuff on the actual website, by the looks of things. Okay, now we just need to work out which of these it is. Which of these is it? Stream. I think that's it, right? Response. Nope. Products. Okay, so that gets my products. Social. What's this? World. We don't really care about world. Stats. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So if we request this URL, right? Wait a sec. How do we get? Do I get user ID from username? My tactic. What's this? Okay, let's put this into this tab. You can do that, right? What's this? I'm confused. When Twitch's in-app browser doesn't even work. What? I'm confused. Kanban boards, yeah. Oh, you're looking at this. Yeah, that's Kanban Mail. That's the main project that I work on. This is just like a fun 24-hour thing. So if you want a link to that Kanban thing, which I'm looking at for your emails, it's there. So that's like the main thing which I do as a maker. I build that. You know, I can hear you, right? Yeah, of course you can hear me. Yeah, that's a good point. Why did I type that? I don't know why I typed that. I felt like typing it. Okay. I'm liking this music. Oh, maybe it's here. Oh, cool. This looks great. Never mind. Found. Was yep. Okay, let's get started building stuff. So first of all, we're gonna have a thing where we say, wait, did I really do this? That should be there. So let's just quickly comment that fix. Fixed Twitch username if statement. Cool. Push that. Now what did Sergio say? Oh, link to Slack group. And exceptions. Sorry, didn't see that. Makers kitchen.xyz. Yep. I'll be using Vue.js. But I don't use Vue.js like proper developers use Vue.js. I basically just use it because I'm lazy and not bothered to like update the HTML using document.getElementById or query selector or whatever. Okay, awesome. Streak, TDA, all that sort of stuff. So first we're going to need to make this request, and then we get... Oh, we get like streak anyway. In fact, we get... Oh, you. Okay. Yeah. I have like a pretty basic front end, like compared to most, I think. Like, the entirety of Kanban mail is basically in a script tag. Okay, at least your front end looks better than mine. Well, I mean, at the moment it doesn't exist, but, like, hopefully when it does exist, it'll look good. So, we need to make a request to... You guys know what I love. What? There we go. Let's put in maker log here. So this should... Let's remember to update it this time. Log username. We'll say side nav bars that transition into the main body. What do you mean? Transition into the body. Oh no, do you mean ones that like go all the way over the screen? I hate that when there's a nav bar which goes over the entire screen, and then like it there are like 3 links. Whoop, no, this should be get a headache every time I open my Slack. I don't know why. Is it post or get? I'm pretty sure it's get, right? Yeah, get. Method get. URI is this. Oop. Yeah. That's not what I meant to do. We'll copy this. Okay, metadata. Oops. This should be backticks, so we can have the $ things. Page info dot maker log username equals metadata dot maker log username. Awesome. Metadata dot maker log username. Cool. Ew, no single file components. I hate that. I hate anything where you end up with like 20 files. Like, I swear JavaScript... Oh, that looks nice. Very nice. I swear that like every time, like all these JavaScript developers these days are turning their code into like Horcruxes. like trying to put it into like a billion different files. But then we'll say response. We also need to say JSON is true. Let's just start with console.log response. See how we go. Why does it say my time zone is America, Denver? Small files for small screens. Yeah, so what we get here, oh cool, we get an avatar, which is basically just Gravatar. But let's put that anyway. So page info dot maker log image equals res dot avatar. Res dot avatar. Then we have page info dot maker log name is what's that? Okay, so it's the whole first name last name thing. First name, whoop, that should be res dot first name, and then res dot last name. What else do we have here that's nice? Username, status. I mean, let's put it there, because like, why not? Dot maker log status equals res dot status page info dot maker log description was res dot maker res dot description. Cool. And we've got that. Oh yeah, okay. Streak. Cool. Page info dot maker log streak equals res dot streak. Then activity trend. Are these all the points in the graph? Works when I request the browser, but not from node. Doesn't really. Anyway. Let's move this out a bit so I can actually. Sorry, is it just going to stay mobile forever? No, here we go. I feel like this graph has more data points than that. Activity. How does Sergio have a nice little green tick on Slack? Well, that's actually the Makerlog logo. So like you can set your status to any emoji, including custom emojis. So like we've got custom emojis for a lot of our products, like we have one for Kanban mail, that sort of thing. So this is the one for Makerlog, which kind of looks like a weird green verified Twitter thing. So yeah, that's why. Then page info dot log activity points data points equals res dot activity trend. Cool. Emoji. Cool. I don't know why I messaged you again when I can just talk. Sparkline. That's such a fancy name. The Sparkline. Okay, so this is coming along well. I thought I'd like Whip Chat's API better, but even though it's kind of nice with the GraphQL thing, I'm actually kind of liking the Makerlog API better. Actually, it shows more data more easily. Yeah. Okay, cool. So now if I do this again, it should show okay, looking through this wall of JSON. Not really bothered to find where it is in here. Kind of just trust it's in. Here we go. Makerlog image, Makerlog name, Makerlog activity data points. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. I'm guessing you're coming from like Twitch. So what this is it's this thing called 24-hour startup. Oh, thanks for posting the link. Yeah, you can find more information there. Game Jam. I haven't heard of that. No, it's not really got anything to do with gaming. It's just a bunch of us makers taking over Twitch today for 24 hours. Like, most of us aren't really gamers, I don't think. Like a lot of the people doing it. If we go to here. Okay, so there are 85 of us live now. So yeah. Cool. Now, where were we? Oh yeah. Okay, so it's showing everything. Looks good. You know what? Let's go. Added maker to get page info. Is there anything else, Sergio? I don't know if you're watching. that I should add. Notifications, we don't care about that. What else is here? That's tasks. Oh yes, that would be helpful. How about all of the tasks, maybe? Is there any way to just get, like, last 10 tasks or something? Is there? Get last 20 completed tasks. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because I'm seeing. How many people are watching, by the way? I'm seeing like a way to just get it by date, but I don't know if there's like an easy way to 32 people. Wow. Wonder where they all came from. Cool. Let's pause this. I think so far we're going good for time. Okay. Yep. I think you're watching. So you just go to there and then you say edit status, and then you just set this emoji to whatever you want, and then you can like then you can write some stuff and then like clear after don't clear, and then yeah. Yeah, well, like, yeah. Oh, hey, yep. What is this? Oh, it's books. Okay, I thought that was a battery. I was like, full battery, and then I was like, oh. Okay, yeah, I said like way too much in the stream, didn't I? Okay, okay, cool. So many new Twitch followers, yay. In the meantime, awesome. So, yeah, I have one problem, which is basically that, okay, so one thing that I haven't sorted out, that I should sort out, is how I'm actually going to, like, so when it goes to the page like maker.rocks/Ethan, how it's actually going to work out which customer to display. So Stripe API list. Here we go. Yeah, doesn't look the best. That's okay. Yeah, logos always need to look good when they're small. That's like a thing. Okay. Okay, so the problem is that at the moment I'm getting customers by their email address, but really I should be getting it by their username. What if we just list all the customers? Is that too inefficient? Surely it's not that inefficient. Should be fine. So we literally just that should be in here, right? So currently we've got customers with email, but this should say customers with username. So yeah. Okay, so on the front end, in the redirects file, I'll put a proxy for everything. Oh, I'm tired. I'll put a proxy for everything, and then the page will pick that up and make a request to the backend with the username, and then yeah, but it will be the username, not the email address. Okay. Hi, what's the idea? Okay. So I don't know if you're familiar with makers, but that's basically like people making like kind of small businesses online, like for example like making like a web app or software or those sorts of things. Peter Levels is like a good example of that. So the thing is, there's not like, this is basically like a shareable link, so like maker.rocks/Ethan, and you can share that like on Twitter or on your website, or you know, like if you join a community and like and they're like, what are you working on, then you can share that, and it will show stats from like your product hunt, from your maker log, from your whip.chat, and like links to all your social profiles and all that sort of stuff. What is MVP? Because only 24 hours. MVP, I don't think I've said MVP anywhere, I don't think. But MVP is, oh, you're saying what is the MVP? Yeah, MVP stands for minimum viable product. Yeah. So what I'm doing now is I'm making it okay, yep, yeah, I'm not, so you don't use like make a log or whip or product hunt or anything. I'm not really sure what the best way to do that is. Like, this is only like a minimal thing to start with. Yeah. So we can say dot filter. Do we have metadata here? Really? No. No, we do have metadata. It's all good. It's all good. We have metadata. Okay, cool. So dot data dot filter user user dot let's say customer, because, and then customer dot metadata dot username equals body dot username. Yep, okay, no email results. Now here I'll change username to be Ethan. Yep, user not found. But now if I go into here, and then I say user name is Ethan. We go here. I'll enter in my password for a sec. Okay, cool. So username Ethan. Now if we go back to here and we have a look at this, okay, for the record, Sergio, now it says I'm in Dublin. But yeah, so that all looks to be working nicely. Cool. Yep, let's basically stage this hunk here. And this will just say get make get page info, find by username, not email address. Okay, cool. Stripe. No, Stripe is Stripe's good. I'm fairly sure it doesn't charge for anything. Like it only charges like based on like when you actually transfer money. So like if people pay you, then like it transfers like a few percent. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. It's definitely the easiest way to accept online payments, in my opinion. Yeah, nice. Looks a bit better now. Yep. Cool. Yep. In the meantime, while Sergio does that, I should add a username field to the sign up form. Is test 6. Email is test6@example.com. Cool. And in signup.js, here we go. Can we say metadata? User name. Will be username is body dot username. I think in here what we can actually do is we can just say dot then, so here we'll say I'll copy this bit of code here. Oh, okay, we're looking for this one, that's why. Let's go back up to the top. Cool. So we'll put that in signup.js. Dot length is greater than 0. So that except here we'll say dot so dot email address. Oh, it's just dot email equals body dot email. Actually, what we should do, we'll have that there. Then here we'll have else if that. Then we'll say so this will be user okay. Oh, hey Sharuz, what's up? Why you're not using VS Code? Like, why would I? Like, I think there are a lot of features there that I probably just wouldn't really use a lot. So like, yeah, like I just like brackets because it's simple and it has like just the right amount of like suggestions and stuff to make life easier, but it doesn't have a bunch of other weird stuff. So yeah, and it's got a nice design, so I like it. So many awesome plugins. Like, but what do I need plugins for? Like, it's all good. Ooh, we're starting to have browser, not browser, code editor wars here. Yeah, I'm actually going to reverse the order here. So I'll make this if, because I think like this way, like for example, they might have the right email, but just their username like doesn't exist is like more likely. So your music choices are really strange. I kind of like them. I like them. They're good. It's like epic. It's nice. So now if I go here, it should say email address is already used. Yep, user with email exists. And now let's say in here, we've got a new email address, but same username as before. Then user with username exists. Perfect. Awesome. Great. So let's push that there. Let's push that. Okay. Added username to sign up. Cloud function. Cool. How far through are we? 53%. Hopefully we can have the back end done by the time we get to 60%. I think pretty much the only things now that we're really waiting on is Sergio's endpoint, and then we're good to start coding stuff on the front end. I'm gonna go into a bit more detail here now. So let's say here, like front end UI. So we'll start with sign up page, login page, settings page, then we're going to have pages. Endpoint created. Boom. Testing. So this should probably go like here, sort of. Okay. So we're just waiting on Sergio's thing. Then we can start front end. Okay. Let's check Twitter in the meantime, see what's up. Okay. Pran Ash. Yeah. Cool. Gotta spell these things right, you know? How are we doing follower-wise? Actually, I think Sergio just sent me DM. You got a follower from that. You got a follower from what? You should mess up my DB more often. Let's see if okay, probably don't mess up the DB now that we're getting closer. Also soon I'm gonna be doing like production stuff. Like at the moment we're still like on the test one. Wait, I already did that like 3 hours ago. Should probably remove that. Remove what? What do I remove? I'm confused. What am I removing? Oh, you mean the login token? Yeah, I'm gonna change login tokens soon. Okay, get page info, I'll scroll down to here, cool. .then, oh, we could actually probably just push it separately, right? Yeah, I think I did. Request promise, then in here,